Hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a general no contact love reading for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of July 2026. Please keep in mind roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Leo, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the King of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, and the Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. This person still loves you, they still care for you, they still feel nostalgic about you whenever they think about the beautiful, positive energies that they shared with you at some point of time. They always feel love towards you, they always feel respect and care towards you. So they still miss you, they still have nostalgia over you, they still care for you, they still have love for you. That's really cool from deep inside. On a conscious level, this person feels like you guys should sort things out with a very practical, grounded and stable kind of mindset. You should be like you should behave like two mature adults, sorting things out with a practical mindset. They are looking forward to they're feeling like they should look forward to have this finding a peaceful solution to a problem that you guys are facing in the situation again and again and again. So they feel like sorting things out with you with a very practical and grounded kind of mindset, and they feel like they should look forward to connect with you when things are going to be a little bit okay in their individual life and yours too. Right now they feel like you both of you should individually heal your own energies, and when the timing is going to be right, when things are going to be okay, you guys should reconnect and sort things out with each other. Right now they feel like sorting your individual energies is a good idea. So they're looking forward to have this energy of reconnection with you, but right now they feel like giving space to each other and keeping yourself and their energy at a distance is a good idea. The more they are feeling like both of you are individually healing, the more they are feeling there are good chances of reconciliation. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you right now. Today I'm very disconnected from the cards and from my own energies, but like in India things are very heavy these days. A lot of protests are happening all around. My energies are going down. I'm not able to feel well, not able to sleep well, not able to eat well. And yesterday there was no Wi-Fi, there was not light, so a lot of things are happening. It's in India, it's very heavy energy these days. In their intentions, yes, we have the Ace of Cups, the Moon, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a King of Swords. From deep inside, this person wants nothing but the truth, bare naked truth, right in front of them. From your side, they want to do this from their side too. So they want the truth and the clarity in the situation as much as they can from their side, from your side too, so that things are going to be sorted, completely sorted between you guys. There's not going to be any kind of confusion or ifs or buts or this or that in their energies, in this connections energy. So on a conscious level, this person wants to keep their heart open, and they want to sort things out with you one by one regarding whatever was stopping you guys from moving forward, regarding the fears, the insecurities, the secretive mysterious energies, the lies, the manipulations, the things that was continuously keeping the situation down again and again and again. So they want to keep their heart open to the idea of healing this situation between you and them on a deeper level, so that both of you are going to come on the same page and sort things out with each other in a proper way, in a proper manner. So Leo, this is a very mature and grounded kind of energy that you guys are dealing with right now. They feel like you guys should be together because you guys have a strong potential. They want to work things out with you on every possible level, so that things are not going to be hidden or secretive, or there are not any kind of fears or insecurities or secretive energies around the situation at all. They want to make sure everything is crystal clear in the situation, and you guys are moving forward with clarity and deeper understanding. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, Leo. We have the Five of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. With a heart full of love and compassion and forgiveness kind of energy. Right now, they are going to give you the space and timing to heal your individual energy, and to themselves also. They are going to give the time and space to heal their individual energy. They have like a heart full of love and compassion towards you, towards the situation, but right now they are choosing to work on themselves and give the space and time to you to work on yourself. They just don't want to repeat the same kind of painful cycle again. They are trying their best to remove, like walk away from the previous heartbreak, hurt, and pain that they have experienced, maybe in multiple situations or multiple areas of your life, of their life. So right now they are just trying to detach from the things, people, or situations that hurt them on deeper level, including this situation. But they want to keep some kind of communication going on between you and them. They want to watch you from a distance, connect with you from a distance. There's love and compassion in their heart. There's forgiveness kind of energy in their heart. So they might connect with you. You guys might be acting like long distance friends or something. I don't see a full flow of communication. It might be like you're talking today, and after you're taking a break for 3 4 days, and then you're talking again. I don't see a flow of communication. It's like two friends talking to each other whenever they get time, or if they don't, they are okay with that. That kind of communication is possible. I don't see a flow here, like two people connected to each other continuously. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this situation for this month, Leo. We have the Four of Cups and the Ten of Wands and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Cups. Hmm. So get out of your comfort zone. Start connecting with like minded people. Start surrounding yourself with good people, good vibes, good energies, so that you are going to feel at peace. So that you are going to feel the happiness that you're not able to feel from quite a long time now, Leo. So getting out of your comfort zone, connecting with like minded people, connecting with those people, those kind of people, energies, and situations that actually makes you happy is going to be a good idea for you. You don't have to surround your life. Stop your life for this particular person or situation only, or if your romantic relationship area is not going well, you don't have to put your life on hold. Okay, the kind of disappointment, the kind of happiness that you're carrying regarding romantic love should not affect any other areas of your life. And the more you are going to have this fixated, you can say, mindset that love and relationship sucks, this is not meant for me, this is not good for me, the moment you are going to create this kind of belief or mindset that you are not meant to get a good love, you are not meant to have a full-fledged relationship, you are not meant to have long-term partnership or commitment kind of energy, the more you are going to feed this conditioning, the more it's going to be difficult for you to connect with the right kind of energy also. Stop doing that. Stop feeding nonsense to your subconscious. And if you have this belief already, you have to reprogram your mind to this energy of, yes, I deserve love, I deserve long term partnership, I deserve happiness, sorry, I deserve commitment. So you have to reprogram your subconscious mind to make you feel you deserve love and you are capable of attracting that kind of love in your life. Okay, that's very, very important for you guys. So, reprogramming your subconscious mind and deconditioning the belief that you have regarding love is very, very important. Second thing, don't put your life on hold because if one area of your life is not working the way you want it to work out, you have a lot of life to live, you have a lot of reasons to live fully and happily. Life has absolutely no purpose, life is purposeless. We have to create our own purposes in our lives, all of us. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Leo. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and then pause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So, the answer to your question is let go. Okay, let go. Hmm. At first glance, this card might seem to be suggesting that you give up your current pursuit, but that is not the message. Instead, it suggests that you let go of your attachment to the subject of your question and cease clinging, striving, and grasping. The let go card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.